Yeah, right now we are riding a tram here in Kolkata. So this is a very small train, like a two-carriage kind of thing, which passes through the rail tracks that are embedded in the road. And this is what the tram looks like. There's a photo of the tram outside, but yeah. Oh, it's not the bell. Press stop. So, yeah. Exactly like that. Yeah, so this tram is really slow, but I guess at least it allows you to have a view of the city going on a very slow kind of pace. Again, we're looking at Kolkata, downtown Kolkata. Oh, this is called College Street. It's like Recto. There were a lot of books in this area. Now the tram is different kind of thing. Yep. So yeah, there you have it. Kolkata tram for you. Bye. See you again wherever we end. Bye bye.